Are you bored with your job, or you are looking for a side hustle in which you can be making an extra cash, or you are looking for a tech job you want to go into that does not require a tech experience or an IT experience of a background, or are you looking for a change of career? You want to go into a new career in order you can be making extra cash or that is very, very lucrative. Here is an IT job or a tech career in which I can introduce you into that is very, very lucrative. And what is the tech career I'm talking about or I want to introduce it into? The tech career I want to introduce you into in this particular video, which I'll be talking about, is Power BI developer. Now, is Power BI first and foremost? What is Power BI? Now, what is Power BI? Simply go on Google and Google the word Power BI. The moment you type in the word Power BI, you see what Google is going to give you. But I want to say Power BI is simply a software that helps you to get data from the source of the data and help you to transform this data from a numerical format into a pictorial format. In pictorial format could be in form of a graph, which could be bar charts, pie charts, heat map, could be a line chart, or whatever kind of chart. It helps to transform this data set from a raw numerical form to a pictorial format, and just as the saying going, a picture speaks more than 10,000 words. And transform it to a pictorial form which could easily be understood by you or could reveal hidden information which could not easily be seen why when the data was in the raw state. But then when you transform it into that pictorial form, a lot of hidden information will be revealed. For instance, what is a sales for the last month, for the previous year? What is the total sales for a particular category of goods? What is the profit of the company for a particular year? And it will reveal more and more sales as being transformed into a pictorial form that is Power BI. Then now the skills I'm now talking about, the tech career I'm talking about, in which is very, very lucrative, is to learn how to use this Power BI tools to transform this raw data into numerical data. That means the skills of the tech job I'm talking about is to become a Power BI skill developer. A Power BI skill developer that knows how to use this Power BI software to transform data from the raw numerical form into a pictorial format and also can help in building data modeling. So now the tech skills I'm talking about, I'm introducing to you now that it's very, very lucrative and which you can transform or which you can go into if you need a change in job career that's very, very lucrative, or you want to go into a tech career that's very, very lucrative, or you need a side also in which you can be working while you do your regular job. You can become a Power BI skill developer. You can also become a data visualization specialist, and also you can also become a Power BI analyst. That is, you know how to make use of this skill to analyze data. Now, the question is this: what is the job demand for this particular skill? The job demand for this particular skill is very, very high. There's very, very high demand or a very, very high job opportunities for people with Power BI skills. Currently, companies are sitting on tons of data. Company, businesses, stakeholders, they have a lot of data. Even governments have a lot of data. But those people that can interpret these data, that can explain these data, and bring out the hidden information about these data are not many. There are shortage of people with these skills that can help to do that. So the demand for Power BI developer or Power BI analyst or data visualization analyst is very, very high. Because companies are looking for people that can transform these numerical data sets into a pictorial format in a way that they, the business owner, company owner, government, they can simply understand this data set because they don't have the skills. That is why they are looking for people that have the skills and they are willing to pay people that have the skills to be able to interpret what this data is telling them about their business, the sales of their business, the profit they have made for last year, for previous year about their business, the profit for last month, and also which expenses what is their total expenses, which particular goods or particular item that is taking large expenses and reducing the profit of the company, which area of the company is not doing well, and what is this data set talking about the future of the company, so they can provide solutions so that they can know a solution to this particular problem. So this business owners, stakeholders, and government are looking for people that have the skills in order to be able to interpret the information in this particular data to them and provide solution to them about their business, what they can do concerning their business. So there is the job availability and job opportunity for people with Power BI skills, for Power BI skills, for people with the people that are Power BI developer, Power BI data, Power BI analyst, and data visualization. So also, when you talk about the future demand for this particular job, in the future, the demand for a Power BI developer or a Power BI analyst or a data visualization specialist will be high, because all companies deals with data, they deals with information. So as long as company deals with information, even in the future, they will still continue to need people that have the skills. But by then in the future, a lot of people would have gotten the skills, because many people are actually coming into this particular area of tech career. So a lot of people would have gotten the skills. So the job availability will still be there. It is projected that in 2032, that the job availability or job demand or the available job for a business intelligence analyst will eat up to about 68 billion in the 2032. So the future demand for Power BI, a Power BI developer, a Power BI analyst, and a data visualization analyst in the future will definitely grow. And also the salary for a Power BI developer ranges from 101 $1,000 to about $133,000. And also for a Power BI analyst is about $101,000 to about $164,000. While for a TAT or a data visualization analyst, it still range around the same is still around the same range. So the salary for this particular tech car is very, very lucrative and does not require any experience, does not require any tech experience, any tech background or tech experience, does not require any coding, which anybody could easily learn or go into and make it in this particular area of tech. So do you want to know how you can do that? Do you want to know how you can go into this particular area of tech and you get your job without any job experience? You want to know how you can go into this particular area of tech and you can venture into this particular tech career when you can land yourself a job without any job experience in this particular field, without any job experience, without any years of experience, and you can get a job. You want to know that? Just click the link at the bottom. Just click the link at the description or at the bottom of this video, at the description aspect of this video. Click the link to join my free training. In that training, I will tell you everything about Power BI developer, Power BI analyst, and the data visualization specialist. How you can go into Power BI, you learn the skills of Power BI, and how you can get yourself hired. You can get yourself a job or land your first job as a Power BI data as a Power BI analyst or a Power BI developer without any job experience. I will teach you how you can do this in that particular training, in that webinar. The webinar is free. It's a free webinar. Just click on the link below and get yourself registered. Thank you. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to like and click on the notification icon on all our social media handles. And don't forget to subscribe to this video, our YouTube channel, our Instagram channel, our Facebook channel, and our TikTok channel. Thank you very much.